They're saying we'll show you a award-winning short film. And these guys kept waiting. And then the film started. One plain white thing on the screen. 1 minute, 2 minutes. White. 3 minutes. White. 4 minutes. White. People are thinking award-winning film. एक ही स्क्रीन पे एक व्हाइट कलर है, बस फिल्म शुरू हो गया है. 8 minutes. Everybody thought जिसने भी इनको अवार्ड दिया है ना, ढीला है. Only white screen. And then in the 9th minute, the camera moved from the white screen. The camera was focused on the ceiling. In the 9th minute, it moved down. It was a hospital. And there was a guy lying there, young guy, 20 years old, who was paralyzed for life. He couldn't move his hands, legs, face for his life. The only thing that was functioning was his eyes. And then at the end of the 10th minute, they said, he has to watch this for his entire lifetime. You watch this for 8 minutes and you're tired. दुनिया में कितना गम है, मेरा गम कितना कम है. जब उसका गम देखा तो मैं अपना गम भूल गया.